Hi, my name is Jaycie Korth. I am from Stevens Point, Wisconsin, and I attend the University of Wisconsin-Madison, majoring in conservation biology and zoology. This summer, I was hired as a water intern at the North Lakeland Discovery Center. We did a lot of aquatic invasive species monitoring and pulling on curly-leaf pondweed and purple loosestrife. We also did a lot of clean boats, clean waters, so that's going to boat landings and talking to the boaters on aquatic invasive species and providing ways to prevent their spread up here in our lakes. We also educated about aquatic invasive species at some festivals. We had a booth at the Manitowish Waters 4th of July Festival, the Winchester Festival, and the Muskie Jamboree. Some highlights from the summer were diving for curly-leaf pondweed. I love diving and I love swimming, so it was really neat to just be in the water and seeing all the fish, the snails, the mussels, as well as the huge variety of plants we have. And another highlight was the community involvement. It was really cool to see the interest all the members of the community and the lake associations had in invasive species and how they really wanted to prevent their spread up here. So my project this summer was looking at rental properties. And the issue is aquatic invasive species, which are non-native species that negatively impact our ecology as well as our economy. And rental properties bring in clients from all over the United States, and when they bring their own boats and equipment, they could be transferring aquatic invasive species into our lakes without even knowing it. So for the solution, I would contact the rental property owners. I use sites such as Airbnb and VRBO to find rental properties and to message them to see if they're interested in getting posters and guides. And if they were, they would go to the North Lakeland Discovery Center website to find Emily Heald's email. She is the head of the water program up here. And then if they were interested, she would send them posters and the guides. And once they have access to this, they're able to print them out and hang them up for their renters, and this helps educate them about keeping our waters and lakes clean and cleaning off boats and trailers just to prevent the spread of aquatic invasive species. And this is an example of the maps I produced. So it shows the lakes as well as where the properties are, and each number corresponds to a box in a spreadsheet. So for example, for the first location on Rest Lake, on the spreadsheet you go to Rest Lake and it would be the first property listed there. And the summer was amazing, so I wanted to say thank you to the townships of Manitowish Waters, Boulder Junction, and Winchester, as well as the Winchester Town Lakes Committee, the Manitowish Waters Lakes Association, and the North Lakeland Discovery Center and Emily Held. And here is the link to the spreadsheet where all of the maps and the property owners' locations are. Thank you.